A little cold start on the F150 this morning. Friggin' snow's up to my ankles and it's only getting deeper. It's just in the gravel. Of course it's gonna be deeper in the grass. Holy crap. Whew. It's up halfway to my wheels there. Ugh. Oh yeah, look at that. Whew. Got a little ramp just getting into my truck. Oh, goodness. Whew. Crazy. All right. Cold start. Freezing cold start. Let's see if it'll even start. There it is. Oh, it's running. Yeah, those aren't moving. Whew. I doubt it'll even reverse. It is. How fun is that? Doesn't like it. Oh, it's gonna die. Love it. Hey, it actually gets around pretty well for being two-wheel drive. I'm sure I could probably make it to the oh gee, I was just talking you up, you know that? Goofy freaking. Oh, now it's oh, holy shit, she's dead. No, yeah, she just all she's doing is clicking now. That's fine. It's whatever. Never mind. Shouldn't talk this thing up. It'll get a big head and then it'll kill itself.